Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? What's going on in July? Do this, my brother, before start the July month. I hope, my brother, you get a very good profit now. So let's see, my brother. I will tell you, my friend, especially very important update for all of you. And absolutely, definitely, I share my opinion also in this video. So kindly, holders, don't miss this special message for all of you. And please watch video completely. Subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. MBS Tech channel will guide you, update you now every time. So my brother, just in only if you can see here the last 7 days, so this coin is in the profit. Last 24 hours, this coin is in the profit. The main reason is that, my friends, to at the end of month every coin is starting moving upward now, so therefore this coin is also in the profit now, my brother. So what's going on in July, my brother? Do this, otherwise, my friend, you lost. And absolutely, this is very important to you. Do this, my brother. So I want to, my friend, you are starting buying more. If you have any plan to buy more, so I think these days is go very good, my friend, especially, and absolutely very good time for you, my brothers, to buy more now. So buy it, hold it, and wait for the good time. I hope, my friends, the Dogecoin price in the July, my friend, and the July is especially moving upward now, increasing now. So therefore, I want to tell you, my brothers, to please hold it. And if you have any plan to invest more, so exactly these days is very good for you, my brothers, to you invest now, because the price is increasing. And if the price is increasing, so therefore it's 100%, my friend, sure, my brothers, to holder are starting buying now. So buy it, hold it, and wait for just in only at the mid of month. I hope they will give you a profit, especially in July, my brother. And remember to, in the start of month, every cryptocurrency very badly fails down, so therefore I will notify you to don't see a short fails and hold it now. So thanks for watching, Dogecoin holders. Hope you understand something new. My prediction is also positive. I hope Dogecoin will moving upward, and my opinion is please hold it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.